In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate an article that contains both text and images using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an incredible AI tool that can generate text answers for you. But do you know it can generate images in your answer too? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate answers that contain both text and images using ChatGPT. To begin with, it's crucial to be clear about what you want in your prompt. You need to be specific about what you want ChatGPT to generate and what you want to include in your answer. For example, if you want ChatGPT to write an article about travel that contains text and images, you can write your prompt like this. First part, what you want ChatGPT to generate, and what you want to include in the answer. Second part, show ChatGPT how to do it with examples. Before we put it to the test, I want to request a small favor from you. Please smash that like button if you enjoy this video. This simple action will help YouTube recommend my video, so more people like you can find this content and benefit from it. Now let's try it out. There you have it, answers that contain both text and images generated by ChatGPT. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos on how to use ChatGPT and other AI tools. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.